Hi everyone, welcome to Julia TV. So today I'm going to show you our latest serum, which is this Youthfinity Serum. It's by Mary Kay. It's so luxurious. Look at the packaging. Ta-da! I love the gold. And then what I like about this, right, is scalp, contour, and firm up the skin. This is comparable to the commercial brand. That's the Caviar serum, and it's about 700 plus. Yeah, so I used to work with Estee Lauder, so this packaging is so similar to the company that I work with. All right, and then this month, right, we have this special promotion. You get this one, you get this for free. This one costs about $100, so you get like one for one in some sense. Yeah. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what the texture is like. This one, so it's very soft and velvety after you apply. And on top of that, right, once you apply this rose serum, basically it's made of this alpen rose. It helps to rejuvenate your skin, repair your skin, and then they call it the never die rose, never falling rose. Yeah, because it's very rare rose that you can find in states, right? And then it's very luxurious. A certain state would have it only. Yeah, so you can see it's quite moisturizing. I'm not so sure whether you can see from my video. You can see this part is fairer than this part a bit. Yeah, but actually I applied both already just now. Okay, anyway, yeah, so basically it helps to hydrate your skin and line free, and also it helps to repair the skin. Normally if your normal skin cells, right, it's not healthy, right, your skin cells will be a bit like not so structured like this. This is the unhealthy cells, this is the healthy cells looking, but you can only find it out when you have a skin machine. So for me, we have our machine, so we can tell you which one is healthy, which one is not healthy. And then you can also look at your body cells. Normally body cells are much more healthier because our skin cells are exposed to a lot of free radicals and sun. Sometimes, right, if you wear a lot of long sleeve, right, you actually protect your skin. And then you can see your healthy body cells, right, is a bit like this one. So if you get structured cells like this, it means your skin cell is very healthy. So you can't see it from the face unless you have the machine like us. So basically this one helps to repair your skin cells so that your skin looks younger, rejuvenated, and then it contour, it sculpt, and then on top of that it hydrate the skin. So you don't have to use any lifting serum, and it's very good for busy people like us. You just cleanse, tone, you apply this, and then you put moisturizer and eye cream, full stop, you can sleep already. And then so that's what I do. I don't use my vitamin C together. I use this one first, and then in the day I use my vitamin C at night. So you can actually mix this one square serum also with the rose serum. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So I use the vitamin C. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of water to activate it, and then I'm going to dissolve it, right? And then you apply your rose serum together. I like to apply together, and then you can see it's very clear serum. Basically, right, you can mix together and then you apply. It hydrates the skin, and then don't forget your neck and your hand, because your neck and your hand will reveal your age as well. And then you can just put your moisturizer. That's it. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Try it, come to my class and try it, you'll love it, and then your skin will be very velvety, very soft, and younger looking. You can see it, I'm very concerned about here, because for me, right, as I age, this part is very obvious, and I become bulldog face. But now you see, my friends said I look younger. So, and then one secret for you, I put this serum, right, with my liquid foundation together, and then so it gives me that luminous, radiant skin that the Korean skin like I look alike. So that's my makeup tips. So any questions, just call me, PM me for details. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.